In this guide, I'm going to be showing you how to fix your iPhone camera if it isn't working. This is Miguel from Just Pause, and before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First, open Settings and scroll down and tap the Privacy and Security tab. Go ahead and select it and scroll down until you find Camera. Once you find Camera, go ahead and click on it and make sure that camera access is enabled for any apps where it isn't working, such as Snapchat or Instagram. Next, go ahead and return to the main settings page. Scroll up until you see Screen Time and click on that. Scroll down until you see Content and Privacy Restrictions. Once you click on it, there will be an option for allowed apps and features. Go ahead and click on that and make sure camera is turned on. You may need to enter your screen time passcode. If this camera still doesn't work, go back into the settings main page again and scroll up until you see the option for general. Go ahead and click that. Scroll down until you see an option that says shut down. From here, turn your iPhone off, wait a few seconds, and restart it. While you're here, you should also go into the option that says software update within general and install any available iOS update. If none of these steps fix the problem, the camera may have a hardware issue and should be checked by Apple or an authorized repair provider. Before you leave, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.